To set Wi-Fi random hardware as sync daily in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop, and then select Personalize. Next, click or tap Network and Internet, and then select Wi-Fi, and then tap on Wi-Fi you are used, for example, this Wi-Fi. And then on random hardware addresses, click or tap drop-down menu, selecting daily. Help protect your privacy by making it harder for people to track your device location when you connect it to this network. The settings takes effect the next time you connect to this network. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.